My name is Warren Shivairo, and I studied a Bachelor of Science in Development Studies at the Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. So what I can say motivated me to do sales is my passion to try new things and to challenge myself. We finished the Yusudi training that is roughly 1.5 months ago. I recently got placed, so it has taken me 1.5 months to get placement. Currently, I work with a software company called Gionta. I am satisfied with my current salary. The advice I have for graduates when it comes to job hunting is have an open mind, listen to your intuition, and try as much as possible to follow your passion, but mainly have an open mind that it's a new world, it's an evolving world. Many people are doing something totally different from what they trained at their college or at their university, because colleges and universities don't give you that practical training and experience that some of the courses outside here can give you. So just have an open mind. You'll land a place in this corporate world.